Hello Galaxy Station viewers, welcome to another Galaxy Watch related video. In this video, I will show you how to update the installed apps on your Galaxy Watch. We all know any smartwatch has a lots of apps built in, and just like your phone, your smartwatch apps also needs to be updated regularly. You can do the update in two different way. At first, there is Galaxy Wearable app. You can go to your wearable app, then watch settings, then apps. Here you have two apps update. You can click update and updates your app. But the efficient and the most perfect way to update your app is from your Galaxy Watch. Let me show you how to do that. Turn on your Galaxy Watch, then go to the notification. Here I have a notification. 6 updates are total pending. Clicking on it. Here it is, 6 updates. I can also open the Play Store app. I'm opening Play Store app to see the details. Otherwise, I can just tap update all. Okay, here is my Play Store app. I am clicking manage apps. Okay, this is it. Update for all of my apps: Android accessibility, Google Assistant, Google Maps, and health services. These are the 4 apps which have updates waiting. Okay, I'm clicking update all. Yes, the app update is downloading. This will take a while. This is a Samsung Galaxy Watch 40 Bluetooth model. So it's using my Wi-Fi connection to update the app.